how to answer or decline incoming calls with a tap without assistant menu. So here you can see I can answer the call with a single tap, and I don't need to use the assistant menu. So first, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down, and from here, tap on accessibility, then tap on interaction and dexterity. After that, we tap on answering and ending calls. From here, tap on gesture to answer calls. From the pop-up, select tap instead of swipe. And after that, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Now you can answer the call or decline the call by simply tapping on the button. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.